Hey, what's up guys? It's Ivan here at Fluid MotorUnion, and today we have a McLaren 720S that came in for an oil change service and diagnostics on an oil leak at the front right tire. So now I am taking off the rear covers that you need to take off to get to the actual oil filter and oil funnel to fill up the car. And if you look down here, there's a cover that goes above the oil filter that protects it from anything, any debris flying in there. It also has a cool print telling you what kind of model, size motor. Now we will be removing the oil cap and also the oil filter housing cap, which holds the actual filter itself. All right, now that you guys have all the covers off, all the panels off, now it's time to go up. So when you work on these type of vehicles, a lot of them come with a crazy style undershield that covers the car from the back to the front, just to protect it from any debris while you drive. So let's go ahead and take this off. Yep. All right, guys, now that you guys have the splash shield off, on these types of vehicles, they usually have more than one drain plug. As you can see here, we have one right here. We have a drain plug for the oil sub pump, and then we have a line, two lines for the turbo that you also have to drain when doing the oil service on a McLaren. All right, guys, now that we have the oil pan drain and the oil sub pump drain, it's time to drain the turbo lines. It happens. It just started here. All right, guys, now that we have everything tightened underneath, it's time to fill it up. Go. All right, guys, after the oil change was done, we're test driving it now because the customer also had concern of an oil leak. But as I checked through it, I didn't see no oil anywhere. So now I'm getting the fluids all moved around the motor, and hopefully we find the leak when we bring it back. All right, guys, now we're heading back to the shop. Hopefully we see some oil trickling down and get this diagnosis going. All right, guys, after a test drive and a few inspections and also letting the car sit overnight, we came to a conclusion that there was no oil leak. This buildup of water mixing in with dirt ended up looking like oil. And now she's ready to go back home.